almost all. But we don't know where that ballot came from. And the only thing that we've been relying on since 2013 when that bill became law was the validity of the signature. And I'm not an expert in the technology that does that, but I've certainly heard enough times there's a dial, there's some sort of a adjustment that can be made to that technology to make it more strict, decrease the tolerances of what a signature looks like, or less strict to increase those tolerances. And that, I suppose, would result in fewer rejections. Now, I'm a human being. I don't sign my signature the same exact way every single time, but it's pretty close. But there's computers out there that can scan, I don't know, dozens, hundreds, thousands of signatures an hour, a lot. And those tolerances are important. Again, you've got the tolerances turned down so that it's very strict. It's going to kick out more ballots because it's going to find more errors, more discrepancy between the signature that's on file and the signature that's on that ballot. But now, we're told challenges on a given ballot can't be based solely on the signature. What else is there? The envelope's bent? Too many stamps? What else is there? That's the only thing, I believe. So, when a clerk's office processes mail ballots, and depending on where the clerk has those tolerances adjusted, high, low, lots of ballots rejected, very few ballots rejected. When there's a ballot rejected and the machine says, this doesn't seem to match the signature on file, do we just go ahead and count that? What's the challenge based on? Those are called cures. And cures happen in really every election in Colorado. Maybe there's one here and there that there are no ballots rejected, but I would guess the tolerances would turn pretty far down in order to have zero rejected. But that's the way it works here in our state.